Hey, what's up, everybody? Pen here. So I got this Speedefy Ac2100. It's a high-speed dual-band Wi-Fi router. So a little bit of the features here. Got the high performance, the 4x4 MIMO, multiple input, multiple output. I'm liking the beamforming technology, the gaming optimization, and the setup on this thing is pretty slick. This is pre-recorded, obviously. The look on the back, there's some features that it shows, and I actually went by the Amazon review that recommended, and I actually got better performance with turning beamforming off and going into the channels and changing some things. And I'll leave a link in the description for those of you that are curious about this product. But this is me trying to get it open with one hand, but a little bit of a struggle here, so I'm just going to go to the next video. So here is the actual registration, the products. I believe that's a Cat5 Ethernet cable, the power to power the device on, of course, and the actual device itself, the Ac2100 router. So let me pause this for a bit. Okay, so according to the manual, they want you to use the WAN port and hook that up to the gateway that way. So I'm having this be in AP mode, so essentially it's going to be a wireless access point, and it's going to go hand in hand with the gateway. So essentially I'm using the gateway as more or less a modem, and then having this be the access point here for the router. I'm gonna go to the next one. Okay, so let's see if we can get a good picture here. So that's pretty much the setup at the moment. Sorry, it was a bit messy on the desk. Had to rearrange some things. This is in a different room, and that is the Speedefy, and the T-Mobile 5G home gateway is to the right, and the Speedefy is to the left. So basically, I'm going to have to run this and do a part 2 to this, and I want to reboot it, and I want to try some different things. Having to be router versus AP, and then trying out different things. The T-Mobile 5G doesn't have a true bridge mode. So that means that I cannot have it function as a normal router as expected out of the box, because it's going to have some conflicts, essentially. So running it in AP mode, which is access point mode, which is actually recommended, and it's just as simple. I have a Cat7 Ethernet plugged into the gateway, and just so that I don't get no bottlenecks, and everything seems to be working fine. But I'm going to be doing some more testing, so this isn't the final setup as of right now. It's just everything is working as expected, but there are some better recommended settings that I can enable and change, like going from dynamic to static. Since this is coming from T-Mobile directly, I can set up a static IP as long as it's not interfering with the main gateway. It's going to give you a connection type that it recommends out the box, and I went the opposite direction because I like to test things out and experiment and things like that. So want to be doing some further tests on this, but so far the Speedefy definitely gets an 8 out of 10 based on the testing that I had with it so far. So this want to be an update to this video, and I'm gonna let you guys know. So just a quick update. You guys take care and peace out.